Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about the one and only Amitabh Bachchan, a name that has been synonymous with Bollywood for decades. When it comes to legendary stars, Amitabh Bachchan is not just a name, he's an institution, a symbol of stardom, and one of the most influential figures in the entertainment industry. But what makes him the super legend of all time? Let's dive into why Amitabh Bachchan holds that undisputed title. The early days of Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan's journey to superstardom began in the late 1960s when he first appeared in films. Despite his deep baritone voice and towering personality, he faced several challenges in his early career. His first big break came with the film Zanjeer in 1973, where he portrayed the iconic role of an angry young man. This marked the beginning of a new era in Bollywood, and the film was a game-changer. It's here that we saw the emergence of a star who could effortlessly combine raw intensity with vulnerability, making him a favorite among millions of fans. But what really set him apart was his versatility. He was never just a conventional leading man. Whether it was the rebellious anti-hero in Zanjeer, the emotional family man in Kabhi Kabhi, or the tragic character in Sholay, Amitabh's ability to portray complex roles was unmatched. His commitment to his craft, along with his charismatic screen presence, made him an actor to reckon with. The rise of the angry young man. The 1970s and 80s witnessed the rise of the angry young man trope in Indian cinema, and Amitabh was at the forefront of this revolution. His portrayal of characters who challenged societal norms and fought against injustice resonated with the common man. Films like Diwar, Sholay, Dawn, and Trishul cemented his position as the ultimate action hero. The audience loved him not just for his on-screen presence but also for his ability to speak directly to their hearts with his strong dialogues, intense eyes, and voice that could fill a room with power. The term angry young man became synonymous with Amitabh Bachchan. He wasn't just a hero, he was a reflection of the anger and frustration felt by the common man, struggling against corruption and oppression. His ability to tap into the national psyche made him the most beloved star in Bollywood. The unmatched versatility. While the angry young man roles gave him fame, it's Amitabh Bachchan's sheer versatility that made him the superstar of all times. His career spans over 5 decades, during which he has evolved, taking on a wide range of roles, from intense dramas and thrillers to romantic comedies and family dramas. He's played everything from a gangster to a teacher, from a father to a grandfather, and every character he portrays feels real and relatable. Take a look at films like Pa, 2009, where he played the role of a man suffering from progeria, or Black, 2005, where he portrayed a teacher helping a deaf and blind girl.